Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding why a battery equalizer matters on a boat. An equalizer balances voltage between two battery banks at 2 volts during charging. Balanced banks prevent one battery from overcharging and the other from staying undercharged. This extends battery life and reduces maintenance costs over time. You should use an equalizer when two batteries charge at different rates from alternators or shore chargers. The equalizer moves small currents continuously to equalize charge without major system changes. Begin installation with safety and correct wire sizing for reliable performance. Use 4 AWG wire for runs under 6 feet and fuse at 100 a maximum near the battery. Connect the equalizer positive to both battery positives and attach the negative to the chassis ground or negative bus. Mount the device within 6 inches of the battery bank and secure it with stainless screws. Turn off all chargers and alternators before wiring to prevent sparks and damage. Operate the equalizer within manufacturer voltage thresholds to protect batteries and electronics. Set equalizer activation at 0 to 4 volts depending on battery chemistry and charging source. Monitor charge balance with a voltmeter and aim for less than 0. 1 volt difference between banks during steady charge. If the equalizer runs hot or shows fault LEDs, disconnect immediately and inspect wiring and fuses for shorts. Regularly check connections and clean corrosion to maintain reliable equalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.